Let me show you some real magic. In the next few minutes, you're going to watch me analyze 150 students' grades, process international feedback, clean messy data, and even build a complete course schedule, all without leaving Excel. And the best part? It all happens almost instantly. Hi everyone, it's Thomas, and today I'm giving you a real, honest, screen-recorded look at TwistlyCells, the AI add-in that analyzes, extracts, translates, and automates data work directly inside Excel. All right, let's jump in. Here I have an Excel file with real professor data. This first sheet, Grades Raw, has 150 students with all their grades for the semester. Homework, quizzes, midterm, project, final exam, and attendance. Normally, a professor would spend 2 to 3 hours creating pivot tables, calculating averages, hunting for patterns. But watch this. I'll click on an empty cell below the data. Now I'll type a simple question in plain English. AI ask. Analyze these student grades. Identify. 1. Students with declining performance. 2. Those at risk of failing. 3. Overall trends. Provide specific recommendations. Then I select the full data range and hit Enter. Twistly is analyzing all 150 students right now, looking at grade patterns, calculating trends, comparing performance across assignments. Done. Look at this. In 10 seconds, I got a list of 5 students showing declining performance, 5 students at risk of failing. The key insight that most struggles are with programming assignments and specific recommendations. Add more coding examples to homework. Time saved. 2 hours reduced to 10 seconds. Isn't that amazing? Let's keep going. Now let me show you something every professor deals with. Messy contact updates. Students emailed their info during the semester, and I simply pasted their messages into this column. As you can see, it's chaos. Different formats, missing phone numbers, completely informal text. I click the cell in column C and type AI extract this cell, full name, hit enter, and there it is. Sarah Johnson. Now column D for email, AI extract the selected cell, email address. Perfect. And column E for phone, AI extract the selected cell, phone number. Got it. Now watch this. I'll just copy these 3 formulas down to all 10 rows, and done. All contact information extracted and structured. Here's where it gets interesting. Some students left feedback in Japanese, Spanish, Chinese, and French. And I need it for my report, so let's translate it. I add a translation column, click the first comment, and type AI, translate, the selected cell, English, keep academic tone, enter, instantly translated. Perfect. No switching apps, it just works. Now here's one of my personal favorites. I need to categorize feedback into positive, needs support, mixed, or critical. With AI Choice 1 formula does it all. I'll click on cell E2, the category column. Now I'll type AI Choice the selected cell, positive needs support, mixed critical. Enter. And it categorizes it as positive. Now let me copy this formula down to all the responses. Look at the results appearing. And this works for any categorization. Assignment types, question topics, difficulty levels, you name it. Now let me show you something that still feels like magic to me. AI table. Create from nothing. I'm updating my syllabus for next semester. I need an assessment breakdown table showing all graded components with weights and due dates. I'll click on cell A1 and type AI table. Create an assessment breakdown table with columns. Assignment type, weight percent, due week, description. Include 3 exams, 45% total, 5 homeworks, 30% total, 1 final project, 25%, spread over 15 weeks. I hit enter, and Twistly is creating the complete table right now. A complete formatted table. I can copy this directly into my syllabus document. This works for anything. Literature review comparisons, lab schedules, grading rubrics. If you can describe it, Twistly can create it. Let me show you AI list. Generate content. I'm preparing for a discussion on AI ethics and need some questions. Here's the fastest way to generate them. AI list. Generate 10 discussion questions about AI ethics suitable for undergraduate computer science students. Enter. And there you go. 10 thought-provoking questions in 5 seconds. This works for reading lists, topic ideas, vocabulary, any list you need. Okay, last one. And it's super practical. The university ID system glitched, so only a few students got their IDs. But there's a clear pattern. First initial, last initial 2024. Number. I need to generate IDs for everyone else. Instead of doing it manually, I let AI Phil learn the pattern. I click the first empty ID and type. AI Fill the sample rows, the empty range. Enter. And Excel fills every ID perfectly. It works for emails, course codes, reference numbers, any patterned data. If you're a professor, teacher, or researcher dealing with data, and honestly, who isn't? You need to try TwistlyCells. After you experience how fast and intuitive it is, you'll never want to do data work the old way again. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing with TwistlyCells.